Yesterday I pronounced the name of my destination incorrectly. It's not Porto Vecchio or Porto Vecchio or whatever, it's Porto Vecchio. So I do apologise, I'm so ignorant. This filming malarkey, what a game. So many cameras, so many different angles, and I'm trying to get some decent footage. Remember, I'm new to this. It's probably my own fault because I've got so many toys to play with. And I'm trying to do the best I can possibly do. But sometimes you've got to ask yourself the question, is all this faffing about worth the memories? Am I supposed to just be enjoying the trip that I'm taking part in? Well, a bit of both really. And I suppose if you've got nothing to look back on, then what's the point if you end up old and grey and losing your memory? So yeah, it is a game, but I think it's worth it. Okay, Porto Vecchio, and it's raining, a little bit miserable. It's taken me a little while to get myself sorted, as I've been trying to secure all my belongings in the van. It takes a little bit of time, but then it's worth it. I don't want to come back to the van and find that all my stuff's gone, or worse still, the van's gone. Anyway, this is what the journey was all about. Let's have a look. I suppose these port towns are a little samey, only in as much as there's a marina and all the other stuff that takes place. However, they are different and they have their own style. Clearly, if the rain wasn't coming down, it would look a bit more spectacular than it is at this moment in time. But I'm not going to knock it. It's actually quite a nice, peaceful place to be. Just come back from a little market. Unfortunately, they were packing it down. The end of the day, I think, for them. Anyway, just going back to what I said earlier on about this port. Yeah, it's quiet at the moment, but that's probably because it's not in season at the moment, so there's no one here. So it's not a true representation of this area to come and visit and come and do a touristy thing. You could argue though that actually during the tourist season it is more of a put on a show or a game, and this is the actual reality. But that's something to ponder on. Not really much to do here actually, for me anyway. I've had a look, so I shall probably get back in the van and have a little bit of a wander, see if I can explore and find something else. It's on my way down south anyway, so it was worth stopping up. I think during the season, as I said before, this will be thronging. I mean, look at all the boats and all the rest of it. Loads of restaurants going on here. I think it would be quite a place to be in the summer. Bonifacio. This seems to be a bit more like it. Doesn't seem to be anyone here either. So I'm going to wander around at my heart's content. Great news. What an impressive place. Well worth the trip down south. Little gem hidden at the south of the island. Well worth a visit. Bonifacio, go there. Bonifacio, really picture postcard stuff, even when it's raining. If the sun was shining, can you imagine what it would look like? I'm so lucky that I've had it all to myself today, so I'm not going to complain. And if my photographs are any good, I might actually pop them in. But if they're not, well, never mind. This place is going to be absolutely heaving. One, when it's hot. And two, in the summer, which is more or less the same type of thing, really, isn't it? But yeah, if I was going to come back to Corsica, this would be one of the places I would go to. Worth a visit, come rain or shine. Anyway, no more filming for me today. I'm going to stay here, I think, unless I get moved on, and see what tomorrow brings.